Daddy, what's that sound?
Who is it at this time of the night? It's a ghost!
The ghost in the building!
Toby, let's go have a look. Huh?
Ghost!
Hey, who's pretending to be a ghost? They're buffaloes.
That's the sound!
Toby, let's go. Huh? Is the sound moving?
Ha! I found it! What's that smell?
Sounds like it's coming from the pipes. Papillon, we need your backup.
Little Pastor isn't afraid of dirty and hard work. Right now, Little Pastor!
Hey, yeah.
A fish? I'm sorry. I dropped it in the toilet while playing in the